Today we're going to set up access methods in the cloud and talk to you about what they actually mean. So on here I've got an intercom already added into the cloud. If I click edit and scroll down to my relays, I've got one relay set up. So currently this relay under access methods has everything ticked. So we've got Smart Plus homepage. This means that the intercom can be unlocked from the Smart Plus homepage. We've got Smart Plus talking page, so it means when I'm in a call on the app, it can be unlocked. We've also got pin, so it means that all pins can be used on relay A. Face, so if the intercom has got facial recognition, face can be used. Same for RFID, so your RFID cards. Bluetooth, NFC, and then also license plate recognition camera, which is a third-party integration. If I'm then adding a relay on the bottom here, so I'd normally just click add relay. I've then got relay B. So what I might not want to do is I might not want to allow pin numbers or face to automatically sync to relay B. So here I would untick pin, face, RFID card, Bluetooth, NFC, and license plate recognition, but still enabling Smart Plus homepage and Smart Plus talking page. This means that I can still unlock relay B from the Smart Plus app. Clicking submit will then change these instantly. As easy as that. Just remember, we've also got the Akuvox Support Hub online. If you've got any further questions, comment below or maybe give us a video idea for next time.